Hello guys, here is Shivli and you're welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe of spinach and potato that my grandma used to make in my childhood and I used to love it so much. It's really a very simple recipe, Indian village style, but it's really so delicious with especially boiled rice, lentils curry and roti chapati as well. So guys, let's see the recipe. At first, I took a bundle of spinach, cleaned all the spinach and chopped them, and after that I washed them properly for 3 times with clean water, and after that I drained the water nicely. In the pan I added a little quantity of cooking oil, and in this I am adding some chopped potatoes. Two medium sized potatoes, I chopped them into small sizes, and now without any kind of salt or turmeric powder I am going to fry them until a nice red color. I am adding a little more cooking oil. On medium heat I am going to fry them, and we need to stir them occasionally. And now the color is nicely red. They are not cooked 100%, but it's red in color. And now I am adding some salt according to taste, some finely chopped green chilies according to taste, and about half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I am mixing everything well, and after mixing I am going to add the spinach in the pan. My fry pan is smaller than the quantity of the spinach, so I am going to add them in 2 batches. At first I am adding one batch, half of the spinach. I am going to spread them in the frying pan well, and after that I am going to cover them on medium heat for about 1.5 minutes. So it's okay. I am covering it. After about 2 minutes, I think, now the quantity has been decreased. As you can see, I am mixing a little, and after mixing I am going to add the rest of the spinach in the frying pan. So let's add all of them, all of the rest. We need to spread them like this, and after adding them I am going to cover for another 2 minutes on medium heat. After about 2 minutes, the different colored leaves are the sour spinach. I got some along with the spinach bundle, and I didn't throw them away. I added them along with the spinach. So now I am mixing everything well, and after mixing we don't need to cover the pan again. Now we need to cook it without a lid until the water is dried up, the water which is released from the spinach. So like this, we need to stir occasionally and fry the spinach and potatoes until the water is dried up. Within the meantime, the spinach and the potatoes will be cooked 100%. It's now about 90 to 95% cooked. So now it's time to add some tadka. Tadka means some more spices. I'm making some space in the spinach and adding some cooking oil. After that I'm adding some chopped cloves of garlic, and along with garlic I'm going to add about half teaspoon of whole cumin seeds for a nice cumin flavor. My grandma used to add this tadka at the end of this recipe so that we can get a fresh flavorful stir fry of spinach and potato. The heat should be on medium, and we need to fry the cumin seeds and the garlic until a nice light brown color, and it's done. Now we need to mix everything well again. After mixing well, we need to stir and fry for another some time, for another 1 minute I think, until the spinach, the stem part of spinach are cooked well. And after it's cooked well, we need to add some fresh coriander leaves chopped, and now I'm mixing everything well again. Now our stir fry is almost ready. You may turn the heat off and cover the stir fry for about 2 minutes, or you may cover the fry pan for about 1 minute on low heat. Your stir fry will be done. the flavor of the coriander leaves will be mixed up with the veggies. So after about 2 minutes of covering, I am serving the stir fry. It's so much delicious with especially dal chawal. Dal chawal means lentils curry and steamed rice, or you may enjoy it with roti or chapati as well. It's so much delicious with all of them. So don't forget to try this recipe and don't forget to share your experience with me. Thank you.